How to play games on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right into the roasting in time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up YouTube on a device. Now tap on the compass icon right below the YouTube icon. Now on the left menu, if you find Playables, simply tap on it. Now there you can find different games. If you don't see the option, simply go back to the home screen. Open up your web browser. Then tap on the search bar. Now type Playables on YouTube. Then tap on search. Now simply tap on the first website and tap on open. Now if it's available on a region, you can simply access it, or you might have to wait for a few months. Now once you get the feature, you can play games on YouTube. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.